First, and this is like one of those things I was talking about when we have to break our old beliefs. Every internet guru, every Instagram guy is like, Forex is the best market in the day, $5.3 trillion a day, whatever they say. I can't even speak because they all make up different numbers. No one actually knows what they're saying. If you read this report, if you're actually understanding what goes into trading and who the BIS is and why this survey is important, this report says that now in 2019, we're not a $5 trillion market a day anymore. We're at $6.6 trillion per day. So whenever you see somebody on the internet now talking about it's a $5 trillion a day, school them. Send them to the survey and tell them how you found it. The second highlight says that the US dollar retained its dominant currency status, being on one side of 88% of all trades. That's a huge majority. Another very important highlight, I just want to touch on this before we scroll through. It says, while volume of spot trades increased relative to 2016, the expansion was way less strong compared to other instruments. Now, what that means, for those of you that don't know, we are trading in the spot Forex market. Big companies, big institutions, big banks, they are trading in the swap market. So it's swap and spot. You can just think spot market, I want to trade on the spot. That's what the retail guys do. The swap market, like I said, is for the bigger players. What this is saying is that the overall volume of spot traders, you and me, has increased, but its expansion was not as big as it was compared to FX swaps and options. We had a huge gain there since 2016. And you're going to notice the year 2016 referenced a lot here. And that's because, like I told you, this survey only comes out every 3 years. I started trading in 2015. So when I got into my first year and a half, I didn't know this survey even existed. I would have been reading this and trying to take in all this information then, but I didn't know, because when you're new, you don't even know what you don't know. But now, being aware of this, I've been waiting for this survey because I knew market volume had increased. I knew market participants on our side of the things have increased. So this report just reaffirms it.